In this session, we'll take a look at 3 major ways to create AI content. We'll leave out tools like Comfy UI, which can be installed on your own computer or used through cloud services, because they require a fair amount of technical knowledge and are not easy for the general public to use. The first AI content creation method is the direct subscription model. This is a method where you subscribe directly to a plan offered by an AI company that develops foundation models. To put it simply, it's like buying cabbages directly from a cabbage farm through a monthly subscription. Well-known examples of AI service companies include Google's Gemini and OpenAI's ChatGPT. The biggest advantage of this method is that you can experience the latest AI models and features from that AI service company as quickly as possible. Also, if you mainly use one service, it can be relatively affordable. However, when you actually start creating AI content, you may find that using only the models provided by one AI service company has its limitations. That's because each company has different strengths, and the features they provide and the quality of the results can vary. For example, one model may be strong at writing, another may be better at image generation, and another may be more suitable for creating video or audio content. But if you subscribe to plans from multiple AI service companies, the cost can become a burden. Also, even if you pay a monthly subscription fee, there are many cases where you don't actually use the service enough to justify the cost. Therefore, the direct subscription model is best suited for users who focus heavily on one AI service and use it frequently every month. The second method is the all-in-one platform model. This is a method where AI models from various AI service companies are offered in one place. Users can conveniently access different AI models and content creation features within a single platform. To use the same analogy, it's like buying cabbages through a monthly subscription from a produce store that gathers cabbages from many different farms in one place. Representative examples include services such as Magnific, Artlist, and Higgsfield. This method is suitable for users who want to use multiple AI models, but find it burdensome to subscribe directly to plans from each individual AI service company. However, because all-in-one platforms act as intermediary distribution platforms, the cost of generating content tends to be relatively high. Since pricing is usually displayed in the form of credits, it can be difficult to intuitively understand the actual generation cost. In general, the cost of generating content can be at least 2 to 3 times higher than using an AI service company's plan directly. For example, content that could be created for $220 through a direct subscription may cost around $400 on an all-in-one platform. This means you may need to purchase additional credits or use the most expensive unlimited plan in order to create the same amount of content. Therefore, the all-in-one platform model is best suited for users who value convenience and access to various models more than cost, and who create a large amount of AI content every month. The third method is the API integration model. This is a method where you generate AI content only when needed by using API keys provided by AI service companies. To use the same analogy, it's like buying cabbages directly from different cabbage farms whenever you need them. Here, an API key can be thought of as a personal key card that allows you to use a specific AI service company's AI model. A representative service for this method is MomoCanvas. API integration services provide an environment where users can access models from multiple AI service companies. Users then register API keys from each AI service company and generate AI content through those models. The biggest advantage of this method is that you pay based on how much you use, rather than paying a monthly subscription fee. In other words, even if you use multiple AI models, you don't need to pay for monthly subscription plans from every service. API-based usage fees are generally affordable, and compared to all-in-one platform services, this method can reduce costs by up to about 74%. However, there are also some drawbacks. Since you need to issue and register API keys from multiple AI service companies yourself, the initial setup process can be somewhat inconvenient. To reduce this inconvenience, there are also services that allow you to use models from multiple AI service companies by issuing an API key from one place. A representative example is OpenRouter, Therefore, the API integration model is best suited for users who do not create a large amount of content every month, but want to use various AI models at a low cost whenever they need them. Now let's summarize what we've covered so far. AI content creation methods can be divided into three main types. The direct subscription model is suitable for users who use one AI service heavily and consistently. The all-in-one platform model is suitable for users who value convenience and a wide range of features more than cost. The API integration model is suitable for users who want to use AI services affordably, only as much as they need. Based on what we covered today, think about which AI content creation method best fits your needs and choose the option that works best for you. I'll see you in the next session.